Hi guys, my name is Jennifer Cardenas. I study social communication. I was born in Bogota, but I live outside of Bogota. I am businesswoman. I work independent. I have a stationery. I am 26 years old. I like to play basketball. I like to listen to music. I like going to the cinema. I have two wonderful cats. Okay, I will describe my photographs. This is the town that saw me grow up. It is a lovely place and very quiet. It is not a very big town and neither very commercial, but it has something special. It's short. That was declared a material cultural heritage of the region. It is a church made of stone, and its architecture is imposing. As you can see, there are many green areas in the park, allowing a pleasant view. The park has good gardens that the inhabitants have taken care of many ways. It also has figures of Sancho Panza and Don Quixote made of forged metal. This is amazing. There are many palms, as you can see, many palms and trees that provide shade and freshness to the visitors. This is important. And the town is turning 83 years old, and it is usually filled with many tourists on weekends. Okay, the most important thing about this place is the tranquility and the green space. That's all for today. Thank you very much.